This video demonstrates how to use the vocabulary tool in Read and Write for Google Chrome. The vocabulary feature allows you to create a vocab chart from individual words or terms. Just use the colored highlighters to highlight individual vocabulary words. Then click the vocabulary button. Choose which colors to include in your chart and click OK. This will automatically create a new doc in your Google Drive or OneDrive. Your new vocab chart includes dictionary definitions, images from the picture dictionary, and an extra column for notes. This doc can now easily be shared with students, edited, or used as a study guide. The vocab tool can be used in Google Docs, Word docs, websites, and more. To learn more about Read and Write for Google Chrome, visit texthelp.com.